Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Like a Native. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest goals for English learners around the world: how to speak English naturally, the way native speakers do.
Yeah, that effortless fluency where you don't sound like you're reading from a textbook.
Exactly. It's not about losing your accent or pretending to be someone else. It's about rhythm, flow, and confidence.
The first step is immersion, exposing yourself to real English. That means TV shows, podcasts, movies, YouTube videos, anything where people speak naturally.
Right. Because native speech isn't always grammatically perfect, but it's authentic. You'll hear contractions, fillers, and connected speech like gonna, wanna, sorta, and kinda.
And the key is to listen actively. Don't just hear the words. Notice the tone, rhythm, and how the speaker's emotion shapes their voice.
Exactly. Think of it like music. Every language has its own melody, and English tends to rise and fall in pitch.
One of the most powerful techniques is shadowing. That's when you listen to a short clip of native speech and repeat it in real time, mimicking pronunciation, intonation, and even emotion.
It's like singing along, but with speech. You're literally training your brain and mouth muscles to move in sync with English sounds.
Try doing it daily for 5 to 10 minutes. Pick a native speaker you admire, maybe a YouTuber, actor, or TED speaker, and imitate them. You'll be shocked at how quickly your fluency improves.
This one's more abstract, but super important. Get a feel for how English works emotionally and culturally.
Yeah, like understanding when something sounds polite, sarcastic, or too formal. For instance, instead of "please help me," you might say, "could you give me a hand?" Softer and more natural.
Exactly. Fluency isn't just about vocabulary, it's about tone and timing, knowing when to pause, when to emphasize, and when to let your words breathe.
This is a huge one. If you translate every sentence from your native language, your speech will sound stiff and slow.
Totally. You have to train your mind to think in English. Start small. Describe your surroundings in English, talk to yourself while cooking, or journal in English.
Eventually, your thoughts and speech will connect naturally, and you'll stop second-guessing your words.
A lot of learners obsess over being perfect, but natives make mistakes all the time.
Exactly. What makes someone sound native isn't perfection, it's flow. Even if you make small grammar slips, if your rhythm and confidence are natural, people won't even notice.
So prioritize fluency over flawlessness. Speak first, correct later.
So, to recap, immerse yourself in real English, practice shadowing, feel the rhythm of the language, think in English, and focus on flow, not fear.
Nicely said. And remember, the goal isn't to erase your accent, but to express yourself clearly and naturally. Your accent tells your story. It's part of who you are.
Absolutely. Fluency isn't about sounding American or British, it's about sounding authentic.
Well, that's it for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, and keep speaking bravely every single day.
See you next time on Speak Like a Native.